Hello my art viewers, welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions and this is artist Bhavna. So today we are going to see the Krishna's part 3. So in this video we'll see the flower making process and this pearl chain beside that flower garland. Okay, so this video will be so interesting and it is more of blending, mixing. So that is blending with the light shades and mixing with the dark tones. So here and there you need to definitely use the light shades, and when you mix it with the dark shades and when you blend it, it will enhance and look like flowers. So flowers are really easy to draw when you know how to blend properly. Okay, so here for this process we are going to use Staedtler pencils, Tombow Mono Zero eraser, kneaded eraser and brushes and whatever we need. I'll show to the camera and you can really enjoy the real-time video. So I'll just add a small track and to enjoy complete video. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon. I hope you will enjoy it and happy learning.